Hello everyone, my name is Angel, and I just ordered and received this reveal map, O.e-c brand. Full map looks like when you get it out of the tube, and as you can see over here, it actually comes with a luggage tag, which is very convenient. Okay, now with this map, I'm gonna go ahead and start scratching off the places that I've been to. Okay, another place that I've been to is Arizona. Besides Arizona, I've been to Colorado. Actually went on vacation there last year. Definitely good times in Colorado. And actually on our vacation, we ended up going a lot of places out west. Another one we went to was Utah. Had to see Salt Lake. Also went to Wyoming. So on my vacation out west last year, I went out there actually for the solar eclipse. Like I said, I went skydiving, which was the first time I ever did that. It was definitely a fun experience. Definitely would do that again. My vacation lasted almost 2 weeks, so we hit up a lot of the west, as you can see. Like I said, watched the eclipse, went skydiving. It was a lot of fun. Definitely would like to go out there again sometime. Definitely would like to skydive again. Okay. So there's where I've been. It looks like I have a lot more places I need to go. And this scratch map is the perfect thing to have to let me know where I've been and where I need to go. Okay, I just wanted to show you what the map looks like when it's hung on my wall. It is a size 16 by 25 inches. Definitely a high quality map, doesn't tear from the scratching when you use the tool on the map. So definitely durable, and again, it's a great thing to have to show where you've been and where you need to go. So I definitely would recommend it.